Cristiano Ronaldo earns over $300,000 per day. But here's the crazy part. If you copy how he spends money, you'll probably go broke. Because hidden inside his success are a few decisions most people don't see. And they're the exact reason why rich people stay rich and everyone else stays stuck. And by the end of this video, you'll see exactly what those decisions are and how you can use them, even if you're starting from zero. Ronaldo didn't start rich. He grew up in a tiny home in Portugal. No money, no backup plan. At just 12 years old, he left his family to chase football. No guarantees, no safety net, just pressure. Most people wouldn't take that risk, but this is where things start to separate. People who dream and people who act. And this one decision changed everything. Manchester United, Real Madrid, global superstar. Money started pouring in, millions turning into hundreds of millions. But here's where most people get it wrong. Ronaldo didn't become rich because of football. He became rich because of leverage. And this is where his smartest move begins. Ronaldo turned himself into a business. CR7 isn't just a name, it's a global brand. Fragrances, clothing, hotels, endorsements, every post, every appearance, every deal, monetized. And here's the part most people miss. He built something that makes money even when he's not playing. That's the difference between income and wealth. Income stops when you stop working. Wealth keeps paying you forever. Now you might be thinking, yeah, but I'm not Ronaldo. And that's exactly the point. Because you don't need millions to do this. You can start small, build a niche page, learn a valuable skill, sell something online. Because in today's world, attention equals income. And the people who understand this early win big later. But here's another move that changed everything. Ronaldo didn't rely on one paycheck. He built multiple income streams, sponsorships, businesses, investments, money coming in from different directions. And this is where most Americans get stuck because the system teaches you to do one thing, get a job and stay there. But here's the problem. The moment that income stops, everything stops. And that's why the biggest financial mistake in the US is relying on one income. Now, here's where things get dangerous, because this is where most people fail. The lifestyle, cars, jets, mansions. For Ronaldo, that's normal. But for you, that can be financial suicide. Because people don't copy the strategy, they copy the lifestyle. They see the success, but ignore what built it. And that's how people end up looking rich, but staying broke. And even Ronaldo didn't get everything right. Some of his investments didn't perform. Some business ventures didn't take off. Because here's the truth nobody talks about. Every rich person makes mistakes. The difference is they can afford them. Most people can't. One bad decision, one bad investment, one lifestyle upgrade too early, and you're stuck for years. So what should you do instead? Here's the part that actually matters. If you're living in the US or anywhere trying to build wealth, start here. Don't upgrade your lifestyle too early. Just because you can spend doesn't mean you should. Invest before you spend. Because money that's invested works for you. Build a second income stream, even if it's small, because small streams turn into big rivers. And most importantly, learn one high-income skill, because skills give you leverage, and leverage creates freedom. Even something as simple as investing an extra $500 a month can completely change your future. Not overnight, but over time. And that's the game most people don't understand. Wealth isn't built fast, it's built consistently. So no, you don't need Ronaldo's money, you need Ronaldo's mindset, the discipline, the long-term thinking, the ability to delay gratification. Because Ronaldo didn't just escape poverty, he built a system that prints money. And once you understand that, everything changes. So the real question is, Are you building a system that works for you? Or are you spending your life funding someone else's?